Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, languages, other language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So let's pick, for example, Ukrainian. And then to set Ukrainian as your display language, you have to drag it on the first place, and as you can see, language changed to Ukrainian. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then Система, Мова та введення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.